This is not financial advice. It's hot in the kitchen today, baby. It's real hot in the kitchen today, baby. You already know what time it is. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Let me know where you get. Let me know where you from in the comments, baby. Let's get it. Woo! Somebody said Lucid to the moon. Let's see what happens with Lucid, baby. We're gonna talk about it. Now, North Carolina is in the building. Mic check 1 2 1 2. The mic, let's get it. We got VA Beach. Let's go, baby. You already know this is a roll call. This is a head count. Let me know where you from in the comments, baby. Oh yeah, oven mitt check. Let's see. So we got Lucid. Oh yeah, look at this chart, baby. We're gonna talk about it. Woo! Look, just seeing this. Let me tell you something right now. Hindsight, family, we would have made bank on a put on this. Now let's talk about it. I see South Carolina in the building. Orlando is in the building. Oh, we here, baby. Maryland, Skills. I see you. We'll talk about it. Now we got Compton in the building. Brooklyn, we here. Let's get it. Oh, Bobby Butch, he said, can you take a look at Tattoo Chef? All right, family, let's do it. But I got you. Just know I appreciate you for the love. Now we got New Jersey in the building. Fort Worth, we here. Philly in the building. You already know what time it is, baby. This is a roll call. This is a head count. Let me know where you from in the comments, baby. Woo! Let's go. Let's get it. We got Jamaica in the building. Hollywood in the building. Rep your city, baby. London, we here. We here. Australia, we in the building. Alabama, we here. Texas. Oh, Texas, I mean, let's go. Cali, we here. Woo. Woo, we in here, baby. We in here. Boston, I see you. Tyler, Texas, I see you too. Dallas, we here. Austin, Minnesota, let's go. We in the building. London, UK, we in the building strong, baby. Now, what's going on with not even AMC? We can check them out real quick. I think they still in the $47, $46 range. Let's check them out really, really quickly. AMC. Hey, we still showing strength, baby. We love to see it. We love to see it. Shout out to everybody in the Discord. Let's go. Connecticut is in the building. I see you. We here. Pakistan is in the house. Ohio, Idaho, we here. Bridgeport, Connecticut, I see you, baby. Oh, we got Florida in the building. We here. Tennessee. Oh, Missouri. Oh, man, the family. Listen, once everything is said and done, I'm trying to go out. I'm trying to travel the world. I want to shake your hand, baby. Let's get it. Oh, man, I see you. We got Egypt is in the building. Now, you know what? Matthew and who else? Who else? I appreciate you, big dog. Matthew and my guy, Bobby. Shout out to y'all, family. He said 100 shares deep. I said I ain't leaving. He grabbed 500 more at 15. He on Lucid. Let's get it, baby. We here. Keep it up. Appreciate you for the love, baby. Shout out to Ethiopia, too. Trinidad in the building. You already know what time it is. TNT Hopkins. Appreciate y'all again. Everybody who sent in a super chat, I tell you 100 times, you don't have to do it, but you choose to. You supporting the mission. I appreciate you for that. I love you for that. Now, I want to give you a major salute. TNT, shout out to you, big dog. Now, here we go. Let's get it, baby. AMC, the first banger on the list, is still over the $47 mark. We trying to get over 48, and then we want to get into the 50s. We want to touch over that, and then start jumping by fives. Once we start to get over, I want to say like the $52 line, boom, 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 we could see $5 jumps. Now, Discord fam in the building, I see you, baby. Let's talk about Lucid. Let's talk about Lucid. Family, I'm so mad I don't got a put option on this. Oh, flagrant elbow, the big dog, the beast. Let's get it. Woo! Let's go, baby. We in here. We in here. All right. So now, let's see. What's going on with Lucid? Ooh, family, let me tell you right now. Somebody said, is Lucid a buy? That's what we're going to talk about for a little bit. And I'm going to tell you how, if you want to get in. Because, again, everybody tells you don't catch a falling knife, right? Let's make it make some sense. And, again, shout out to the Discord family, first of all. If you're in the Discord, then you should already know what's going on with this. I posted it on the watch list. You should see it. I tagged you. Check your mentions. So now, here we go. Let's take a look, and let's go to the one, the only, the internet. So now, Lucid Motors. Why are they dropping like this, right? What's going on? Lucid Motor News. Watch what pops up. You know what? I'll just look it up myself because I know what it is. Let's X out it. All right, Pipe Investors. So, I don't know. I don't know what's going on with this. Maybe I send it. How should I send this? So, here we go. Let's just read this right here. So, Saudi Arabia, Public Investment Fund, BlackRock, Fidelity, Management and Research, Franklin, Templeton, right? Newberg, Wellington Management, Winslow Capital Management. They funded the pipe. So, They put in basically billions of dollars into this company, and then they had the shares locked up. They had the shares you couldn't buy them, or they couldn't sell them actually until this current point. And then they saw a chance to exit out of the play. Family, they wiped everybody out that was buying calls yesterday. So now that's what's pretty much going on. I'm surprised it's not popping up. I wonder, listen, this is looking weird. It's looking funny in the light. I want to say that. This is looking funny in the light. Let's go to the tools and let's see if we could go to any time and change it to the last 24 hours. Let's see. Yeah, I'm surprised this ain't coming down. Let's see. Lcid stock. Let's see. Somebody tweeted it, but this is exactly what happened. It says the pipe lockup has expired and the stock is down 19%. Ooh. Did you say bless you in the comments? Boy got to sneeze. I wonder if John is a short seller. You know I'm allergic to short sellers. I hope he's not, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Here we go. And somebody said this on Investor Place, Lucid fans. Hold up, ads. There's another catalyst coming September 27th. I wonder what it is. Let's see, baby. Let's see what it is. Trends, however, not yielded such positive, blah, 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 blah. All proceeds will be used to growth of capital. Not much. He said, Stonehenge. Oh, yeah, from yesterday. That was funny, right? But yeah, family, look, long story short, what this dude is saying is right. I don't know why the news, they might be wiping the internet clean of what's going on. Oh, here we go. Yeah, this is it. Market realist. Look at this. So it says, what was the title? It said, Lucid Motors stock forecast. Will Lucid Pipe investors cash out? Yes, they cashed out. They cashed out, family. Come on now. They dropped it. Tank like a rock. If you just getting into the building, hit that like button for your boy. Yo, appreciate you for saying bless you. That's love. I appreciate y'all. Y'all, listen, they say the internet is toxic, but where? I'm seeing all positivity in the, let's go. The love always outweigh the hate, baby. All right, look. So now somebody said, look, a big green candle, right? Nah, let's see. People are going to be really, really fearful. Let's see where this one stays at. Currently 15. Now I want you to remember, with Lucid, if I remember correctly, this was a long time ago, the pipe investors got in at 15. If I remember correctly. So if they got out at 20, then they made a lot of money on that. They put billions of dollars in. But what happened? The pipe investors, will they cash out? The answer was absolutely. They had a chance. So let's read this. Lucid Motors received pipe investment. So again, when you bought into CCIV, you were helping to invest into Lucid Motors eventually, right? Once the merger happened. But who was on the back end of that with us? It was the pipe investors. So these are just the big dogs. When you think of pipe investors, just think big dogs, right? Now, Lucid Motors, they received a pipe investment of $2.5 billion, which is the largest for a SPAC. While the usual norm, let's see if they get to the facts. CCIV priced pipe transaction at $15, right? So the pipe, they had to pay $15. Just basically get in with us. And some of us got in at 10, so on and so forth. Good morning, family. Now, here we go. What did they do? They cashed out when it was like 20. Why did they do that? Because their money has been locked up for a long time. And also, they might know things in the background short term that you may not know. For example, I don't know if I'm going to be able to find this because it seems like allegedly, supposedly, they're wiping the internet clean of some of these things. But let's see if we can find it. So, Lucid Motors, $15 billion. Dilution. So I said this. It would be dope. The movie industry, movement, you guys creating history. Oh, yeah, T, appreciate you, big dog. That would be dope. That would be dope. That would be dope. All right, cool. So let's see. Let's see. So let's go to 15 billion dilution. Yo, Google is acting like, let's see. Here we go. Let's see. Let's click this right here. Let's see if, all right. So yes, Churchill Capital Corp is dramatically boosting its authorized share capital. And no, it is not definitively bearish for Lucid Motors. Okay, where's the facts? Where's the fax machine, baby? Let's see it. Let's go to Control F, and let's look up the number 15. See if we can find it. Let's look up the word billion. See if we can find it. 3 matches. Yeah, here we go. Family, this is crazy. This is crazy. So look, there was a proposal, right? And it was dubbed the charter proposal. And it calls for an increase in capital, or actually an increase in Churchill Capital's authorized number of shares from 501 million. Family, authorized number of shares from 501 million to 15.01 billion. Family, that's crazy. That's crazy. If they were to issue, so they want to authorize it, right? But if they were to issue all of these shares, that would dilute you, I want to say, by 30 times. By 30 times. What do I mean by dilution? When you own a company, right? Let's say that this company has, and let's go to our calculator. Let's say that the company has 100 shares of a company that's worth $100, right? So 100 shares, $100 each. You're going to get $1 a share. Let's say that you own literally half of the company. So you own 50 out of the 100 shares. Look at this, 0.5. You own 0.5 of the company. But then, if they were to add in 30 times more shares, right? Just like 30 times more shares, guess what? Let's do the math. Let's keep it simple. So you got 100, right? So you can see where I'm going with this. Times 30. Oh, look, 3,000. So now you own 50 shares out of the now, not 100 shares, out of the now 3,000 shares. So you used to own half of the company, family, and now you own about 1%, 1.6% of the company. That's absolutely crazy if they were to do something like that and actually issue all of these shares. So now think about this. The pipe investors, who are the big dogs in the game, right? The pipe investors who they asked, Lucid Motors stock forecast, will Lucid Pipe investors cash out? They know what time it is. They know that Lucid is in the background making talks like this. They know that Lucid is talking like this about going from 500 million to 15 billion. They know things that you and I will never know, family. Come on now. They ready. They prepared, not surprised, to do what? Cash out and get up out of this. So who are the pipe investors again? Lucid Motors. Let's look it up, because I just looked it up for you. Lucid Motors pipe investors. Remember, the pipe investors are the big dogs. This is Saudi Arabia. This is BlackRock, one of the largest asset management. This is Fidelity. This is Frank Templeton. This is just so many big dogs, and they funded the pipe part of the transition. AK-47, appreciate you, big dog. Shout out to you for the love. Much love, family. Just know, supporting. Well, let's go. Let's go. All right, cool. So now, market is open. Let's see what's going on with them. People are trying to load up in this range, right? They're trying to load up in a 6. Look at this. Look at this oversold territory. Oversold. Some people believe in Lucid, and they ready to load the boat. So I'll tell you this. Right now on Lucid, I sold some Lucid before to load up on AMC. Now, if you've been rocking with me for, I want to say, at least since May, you would have seen it. Now, let's see this. Now, I still got some, but my average is now 18. Let me see, because I haven't looked. Yeah, my average is 18, but I don't got that much of it. And I'm about to I'll pick up some soon. I'll pick up some. This is rocketing though. I want it in the 15s, but it seems like it's going to run for a little bit after people are seeing that it's a better deal than it was before. Because, look, you could have got it. I think Lucid in the teen range, solid. I think it's solid. Somebody said, look at SPRT. We'll come back to Lucid in a second. Oh, you know what? Discord family. Let's see if we could get LCID. Let's look at what the options are pricing like. The implied volatility could be through the roof. But let's see what the options are priced like. Let's see. Let's see what the options are priced like. All right, cool. So family, I'm about to get into a call. Discord fam, I'll get into a call. But remember, when you get into a call option, just to be prepared, don't go all in at once. Don't go all in at once. What you want to do, and let's see, this is just getting over the oversold territory, oversold territory. So again, what you want to do, Discord fam, is don't get in all at once. Just know that. Here we go. So now let's see. Maybe we could, all right, yeah, I like it. Where's the Discord fam? Just know I'm looking for a call on Lucid. Let's check it out. So they just shot up a little bit. The RSI on the 30-minute is still here. Okay. I like this in this range. Let's see. Here we go. AK, I see you, baby. I see you, big dog. Let's get it. Okay, yeah. So they getting really crazy on the RSI. RSI is hot. Let's let them cool down. Look at this. On the 1 minute chart, it got all the way up to the 90. But again, it's still pushing, baby. It's still pushing. It's still pushing. Oh, look, we had it up. We had it up. Let's go. Let's get it. Somebody said BBIG is going back up. Let's check them out. We can come back to Lucid. You know what? Let's look. Let's take a quick look. Yeah, now this thing is running up like crazy. Whatever. So SPRT. Support.com. Let's see what they're doing. They're going green so far. Let's look at BBIG. No. BBIG. Venco Ventures. What are they doing? Some upward momentum. Good. Let's look at Apple. Let's check them out. Apple, oh my goodness, family. Yo, Apple is a beast. There's got to be a new all-time high again today. Family, that iPhone 13 is coming out. People are ready. They ready for it. The people is ready. They ready for it. Man, Apple is a beast, a banger. I was telling everybody the other day, pretty much, somebody asked me, when is a good time to buy Apple? And the answer was yes. When is a good time to buy Apple? Absolutely. That's the answer to that. Especially if you're going to hold it. And not financial advice, right? Not financial advice. Yes, this is, Apple is a beast, a banger. Somebody, all right, cool. Somebody said, look at skills. Or yo, are they really running like that? Because if so, I keep seeing it. Oh, they ran up yesterday a lot. And then in the pre-market and aftermarket, I'll see it. Apple, the big dog, the beast, the banger. Super yo, let's go. Yo, look at this. Could you believe this? Let me tell you something. Apple is the most valuable company in the world. They're not supposed to move like this. But just know, so many people believe in the company, including the big investors, family. So many of them believe in the company that you already know what time it is. They know what time it is. We know what time it is. Let's go. Yo, love to see it. I love to see it. Now, let's go back to Lucid and see if the train took off without us. LCID. Man, this thing is straight running. Okay, come back down for us. Come pick us up, man. Come on, cool off. Cool off. The pipe investors, they say, you know what? We out of this. We out to play. Boom, tanked it. Straight up tanked it. All right, cool. So I'm looking about getting into play on this, right? So now, somebody said the other day, they were like, Kenan, do you have unlimited money or something like that? I'm like, no, I got my oven mitts on. That's what I'm talking about. What do I mean by that? In this case, I mean this. if I get into an option or if I get into some stock or whatever, if I got, let me just go to the calculator again. Our trusty friend and calculator. You already know what time it is, baby. If I see a price I like, I strike. You already know what time it is. Take a look at this. If I got $300, I'm dividing it by 3 because I plan on going in once, bow, twice, bow, bow, and then 3 times, bow, 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 and then riding the wave straight to the promised land, baby. That's how I'm rocking out. So if you see me load up on the options or on a stock, I'm ready to hit bam, 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 3 times. That's what I'm looking for. So now, if I load up on this, just know I still got 2/3 ready to go. I don't go all in at once. That's not how I'm getting down with this. You got to be prepared, not surprised. What are the 5 P's? Proper preparation prevents poor performance. Say it with me again. Proper preparation prevents poor performance. You already know what time it is, baby. So now, okay, cool. If we get a chance to potentially get this back in the $16 range, I want you to understand this, though, family. If nothing else, I want you to understand that Lucid, even if you were to catch it at 15, this is a high risk play. Why? Because they have not delivered one single vehicle. They have not delivered one vehicle. No feelings. Appreciate you, big dog. It's hot in the kitchen, baby. Appreciate you, family. They have not delivered a single vehicle. Not one. So the risk is through the roof. Through the roof. My guy, AK-47, yo. That's love, big dog. Appreciate you, family. Just know it. Shout out to Michigan, checking in. If you just rolling in, let us know where you from in the comments. My guy, AK-47, that's a lot of love, big dog. I appreciate you nonetheless. Just know it. All right. Global Star, give me a second, baby. Oh, I see somebody said AMC is waking up. Somebody said it's waking up. Again. Okay. Let's see it. All right, family, look, let's go. Apple. I can see Apple touching the 155s today. I can see it. It got really, really close. I can see it, though. But again, let's go back to Lucid because this is looking like the play. Now, the opening momentum went crazy. We wanted to get in here. Didn't get an opportunity to. Didn't get the chance. And remember, oh yeah, somebody asked me this, right, the other day, and I wanted to just comment on this because I thought it was relevant and important. Somebody said, Kenan, you talked about getting a good deal on, oh, it was my guy Raphael. He said, yo, you talk about getting a good deal on an option or a stock. What do you mean by that, right? What I mean is this. Some people will just get into an option play just to get into an option and to say they playing options, right? No, don't do that. When I see a price I like, I strike. That's how you gotta get down. When I see a price I like, I strike. It's as simple as that. And if you don't, then you don't strike. There will always be another play. I got you, big dog. I ain't forget. Tattoo Chef, right? $22 range. So they've been climbing up for a little bit. Let's see. Let's go back. So they just basically filled this bowl up right here, right? They gapped down a little bit, gapped down again, and then they filled it up eventually, right? So now, what I get in here, it's correct. It's since corrected. It has since corrected. You might be able to pick this up at $20, to be honest. $21 or $20. So if anything, oh, it's at 21 right now. Right now it's not bad, but it's not optimal. I would preferably get this in the teens if I was trying to go long. Preferably in the teens. Other than that, nah. My guy said, what am I using? I'm using a Webull desktop app. Webull desktop. Let's get it. Yo, AK-47 is going crazy. I see. Yo. Let's go. Let's that's funny. All right, look. So let's talk about it. Let's go to Lucid again. It would have been nice to ride this wave up. Again, if you're looking to get shares on Lucid and you're willing to take the risk because they have not delivered any cars, in the teens is great. But again, it's risk. Remember that. If they tell you they pushing the deliveries back again, and the pipe investors, they knew something, and that's why they got up out of this, family. Come on now. Right, somebody said AK-7 letting them go. Yo, all right, cool. So, all right, you could play the momentum on this one. You could play the momentum. Let's see. What we looking at on the options chain? Ooh, this is high risk, high reward. Crazy high risk, crazy high reward. I would play it. I would play it. Let's let them come down a little bit. All right, cool. So I'm thinking about getting in one Discord fan. However, the RSI is crazy. And to be honest, the volume is gonna die down at like 10, and it should start to cool off a little bit, like not be as volatile and violent. So we could chill. We could chill on that. If you're trying to get into the Discord, you're gonna have to wait for me to get off live to help you out. But you could get in on your own. If you need help, you're just gonna have to wait a little bit. Yo, family, come on now. Somebody said BBIG is about to break 9. Yo, rockets. Yo, rockets in the chat, baby. Rockets in the chat. Rockets in the chat. Let's get it. Yo, we up. Let's go. Let's go. Yo, fam, this is going crazy. Yo, we love to see it. Somebody said Nio was waking up too. All right, come on, Nio. And they said AMC is, what we doing, AMC? Okay, AMC came back down. Remember, historically, AMC has been coming down on Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, like coming down. They've been pushing it Monday, Tuesday, just so you know the trend, and then Fridays, it's been coming down some. It's been very few Fridays that we closed like with a whole lot of strength, but it's coming more regularly, family. So just know, this we holding strong. These diamond hands, we breaking these short sellers down. Breaking them all the way down. All right, yeah. So now let's see. It was on a rocket, and now it's starting to kind of cool a little bit cooling off. Okay, now we know Apple is on a straight rocket, but notice the same trend, right? See this? It's like a shelf up here. So it goes up and then boom, like a shelf. And then let's go to, what were we just looking at? Oh, BBIG got suspended. Yo, this is going nuts. They halted it. Family, where you think this is going today? We going to the moon? We going to Mars? Where we going, family? My guy AK-47 is lighting me up. I appreciate you, big dog. I appreciate you. Just know it. Just know it. Yo, what we talking about? So Robinhood suspended? Yeah, suspended, baby. Hating. But you know what? We could play the momentum. I'll keep it real, though. The momentum is through the roof at 80. But that's not crazy high for this one. Just when? This one was 90 already today. RSI means relative strength index. Anything over 70 is considered overbought. Anything under 30 is considered oversold. Let's go. Now, the same feeling that you are feeling about BBIG, if you weren't in the play, this is called FOMO buying. Other people who are not in it want to FOMO buy in, which, believe it or not, in the short term is a positive catalyst. It's a positive catalyst, believe it or not. The FOMO buyers rushing in, baby. They will send you straight to the promised land if you was in before they were. And then also, what I want you to think of is this. Imagine when BBIG is like suspended, it creates suspense. The suspension creates suspense, if that makes sense, because everybody else is on edge and they're just ready. They're right there. They're right there. They're like, oh, is it time to get in? Is it time to get in? They just really right there. They ready to go. So just know that. And okay, now let's see. Let's see what's going on with it. Let's look at Lucid again, see if they cooled off enough. They're cooling. They're cooling. In the 17s. Apple, same thing. Let's look at the options. All right, family. So if you ain't up on options, you don't understand how it works too much, pay attention really close, really quick. So let me see some headphones in the chat. Let me see some headphones in the chat, baby. What am I talking about? I'm talking about headphones, so you got your listening ears on. Not your idiot hat. You can fling that over there. Bow, to the left, to the left. I need to see some headphones in the chat. Make sure you're paying attention. So now you got your strike price. The strike price is the price that basically you get in a contract saying that you could buy it at this level. You're saying that's what the strike price is. The regular stock price numbers. You got what I'm saying? Now, if you get into a really, really early date, the earlier the date, the more the risk. Higher risk equals higher reward. Now, if you want to say that BBIG, and remember, you don't have to wait until the date. You do not have to wait. You could get in this second and get out the next second. If it went up, you can say, you know what, I'm done. I made enough. I'm out, right? So then, for example, when you see these two breaks, this break right here, BBIG is currently $9.46. You see what I'm saying? Now, if you think it's going to $10 or even close, even going up a little bit, you know what? Potentially, you could get into a $10 strike for about $160 right now. This is the cost, $160 for this option. How much is this going to go up if this thing changes from, oh, it's unsuspended, from $9.60 to basically $10.60? Family, this thing is going to go up $60. It's going to go up $60 if it keeps going. If this thing breaks $10, I want you to know, potentially, this is going to be a straight up rocket. Let's go to the chart. Let's zoom all the way out. Oh, we here. It's fighting with it. It's fighting with it. We're here. We are at an all-time high, almost, at 1163. Almost all-time high. We headed there. So family, again, I am willing to get into a high. Oh my goodness, do you see this? I'm willing to get into a high risk, high reward swing. Swing, what do I mean? I mean, I'm jumping in and I'm jumping out. Like immediately. If you can't day trade, avoid this. If you cannot day trade, avoid this one. But I'm willing, I would be willing to get in and try to ride this wave. Really short term, crazy high risk, crazy high reward. Get in, get up, get on out of that. Let's see. Crazy high risk, crazy high reward. Whoa, look at this. Oh my, woo, woo. Somebody said it's better than sports. Yo, we in the building. Yo, oh my goodness. Can you get flags for selling a contract in the same day? That's, if you can't day trade, you might want to avoid getting in, getting up, and get out. Yo, oh my goodness, family. Look at this. The RSI is nuts. It's at 90. 90%. It's crazy. Hold it again. Oh, yo, we going crazy. And again, I got to give a shout out to the Discord family who I seen in this at $4. At $4. I got to give a shout out to y'all. Let me tell you something. Great. Let's go. Let's go. Yo. Yo, this is crazy. Family, this is crazy. They halted it. We halted. Yo, this is going crazy. Family, this thing is up. Way up. And I think it's extremely close. Yes, it's extremely close to all-time highs according to Webull. As far back as Webull can go, it said it got to 1163. Then again, though, I'm trying to see. Let's go to a more. Let's go out. Year. Let's go to the year. No, I cannot see the whole of this candle right here. I can't see it. It won't show me. It's too, this red right here, I can't see it. It's too wide. Man, they had to suspend her again. She was on fire. She was on fire. Woo. Deborah said, I'm up 240 on a BBIG call option. Should I sell it? Now, if you asking yourself that question, should I sell an option? I know it sounds crazy, but you got to get used to letting go. You got to get used to letting go. What do I mean? Do I mean you should get out right now? I'm not saying that. But what I am saying is you sound like you made enough. It's a difference between being greedy. And I'm going to keep it real with you. You might see this thing go up even more today. You might see it go up even more today. But those of us who've been running options for a long time, you will know. When you feel like, did I make enough? It probably means, or should I get out? It probably means you should get out. But again, you're going to have to accept whatever comes with that, because this could go to 15, this could go to 100, this could go to whatever. Who knows, right? And then you'll tell yourself, oh, I should have held. If you feel like you can't handle the heat no more because it's all the way up at the tippy top, then that means you made a decision. And even if you get out of it $1 up, you still won. Now, if you up 260 on your play, let's get it, baby. Let's get it. And another thing you could do is if you bought multiple contracts, right? This is what I want you to understand. Let's say that you bought multiple contracts, right? Let's say every one of them cost $100. And you went out and you bought, let's say you bought one, right? You bought one. They cost you $100. Your contract was $100 in value, but no. Let's keep it even more simple than that. Let's say you bought two. You got two contracts. You paid $200. What if this thing is now worth, both of those contracts each being worth $100, right? What if both of those contracts was now worth $200? So you just doubled your money, right? So instead of having this 200, you now, I got to go up here, you now got 400. In this case, you could totally sell out, right? You could sell out of it. You could sell, so you got 400. You sell one of your contracts for 200. You still have one contract times that $200, right? What does this mean? This means you are in a play risk-free. You are in a play risk-free. Literally everything from here is profit. You could YOLO this, right? If it goes to zero, if it goes to the moon, you in the play with absolutely no risk at this point. If you have many contracts and you could take your original investment out, there you go. There you go. That's how we rocking. But yo, man, this is a runner. Let's look at the volume. Let's look at the volume on this. On the day so far, 40 million already. 40 million already. For comparison, yesterday was 180. The day before that was 321. Day before that, 200. The volume has been solid. On the 26th, 7 million. 15 million on the, come on now. I got T-Bone, he said he love risk-free. Let's get it. Yeah, they halted her. They had to say, yo. They had to put some halts on the rocket. They said, hold up. This rocket is crazy. And look, if she's unhalted, she's back. She's going again. She's going. She's pushing. Family will. Somebody said, should you run puts on this? To be honest, the momentum is so strong that that's a high risk. You could. And if you're willing to hold it through the volatility, you can make a lot of money on a put. If you're willing to hold through the volatility, you can make a lot of money on a put. But if you can't hold through the volatility, then you might want to chill. You might just want to chill. You got to assess where are your other mitts. All right, family. So I'm willing to get into a Lucid Motor call. Man, the prices that they're showing versus the prices that it is right now, crazy. Oh, I see. Hold up. What do we need to get to? Okay. Oh, I see. All right, yeah, family, Discord family. I'm looking at, yo, AK, my guy said, I just got out of BBIG. He up 76K. Yo, shout out to my guy, AK in the building. I see you, big dog. Let's win, baby. Let's win. Let's go. Major salute to AK. He been lighting me up today. But man, shout out to you, big dog. That's huge. I love to see it. I absolutely love to see it. I love to see it. See the family eat. See the family win. That's real. That's real, baby. Let's see it. Where we at with Lucid? Okay, so let's see. Is BBIG still? So I'm hearing people are getting out. Oh, suspended again. They suspended her. So AMC and AQST are true 8 plays. Laura, shout out to you, big dog. We holding, baby. Somebody said check out SPRT. Let's go. SPRT. Let's see what they're doing. So SPRT is coming down. SPRT is coming down. You know what's crazy, family? We got out. Oh, the option, I want to say, was it not yesterday, the day before? And then it ran up in the pre-market, but then came right back down at the open. But I notified the Discord that I can't tell you exactly when to sell. But if you read between the lines, you will see that we did triple G, baby. We get in, we get up, and we get out. That's what I'm talking about, baby. We get in, we get up, and we get out. We getting it, baby. You know how we doing here. You see what I'm saying? But again, if you are still in this play and you didn't put money in that you're willing to lose, right? You got in, you trying to cool it, be safe. Now you know. You know what? The short sellers, they have not covered. It's still 60% of the shares still being shorted. 60% of the float, family. That's crazy. That's a lot. That's a lot. So now that BBIG is cooling off a little bit and it's back into the 10s, because again, we knew at 10 o'clock it would start to cool off. I said that earlier in the stream. If you've been in here the whole time, I said it earlier in the stream. The volume is going to start to cool off just a little bit. And let me show you an example of how that happens. So if you go to Stonko Tracker, you can see exactly what happens with AMC. So let's reload it, get the newest information and data. Look at this. The first 30 minutes, the volume is high, really high. Just like in the last 30 minutes, it'll be really high again. So there'll be some spike either up or down at the end of the day. However, take a look at this, 22 million. This one is unlikely to be as high as the first one. This is the first 30-minute increment. This is the next 30-minute increment. Basically, though, for all of the stocks that exist, unless you get some anomaly where there is a huge big dog, bow, jumps into the play, boom, gets in, gets up, get out. Luca, appreciate you for the love, baby. My guy, Lewis, too. Shout out to you, big dog. He said, bro, my BBIG option just went to the month, went out the money. He said, just a mistake. I was up and then it just dropped. So you take a look at the chart, baby. Take a look at this. Boom. When you get up, get out. Triple G, baby. Triple G. We say triple OG, but it's triple G with the O. It's get in, get up, get out on options. Get in, get up, get out on options. That's how we rocking. All right, so yeah, let's take a look again. Lucid. Family, I want to run a call, but this one might be, I'm going to send a call option to the Discord family on Lucid. I'm going to send a call and I'm going to try to get into on Lucid. I want to get in on a good price. Just know, though, I want you to understand that Lucid is a dangerous play. Why is Lucid a dangerous play? And I'm going to send this to the Discord fam. This order ain't going to fill. Let me try to get in and send this to the Discord fam. Why is Lucid a dangerous play? Because they have not delivered a single vehicle. Not one. All right, cool. So she's starting to come back down a little bit. So you see what time it is, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it. Smooth DC, appreciate you for the love, baby. Appreciate you for the love. Oh, whoa, before we do anything, BBIG is back. Let's see. So she's starting to struggle a little bit. But you can push it. Oh yeah, let's go. Strength. Show us the strength. You have the power. Can we get some tears in the chat for BBIG? Can we get some tears in the chat for Venco Ventures, baby? Push it. Here we go. Push it. Can we get some tears in the chat? All right, cool. So Discord family. Let's see. I'm trying to get into a Lucid call option right now. All right, Discord fam, I'm sending you this one. Notice. I am not holding this. I'm sending it to the Discord. I'm not holding this until expiration. If I get up on this, which is my amount that I want to get up, first strike of 3. I'm going to add everybody in the Discord right now so you can see the Lucid option that I'm getting into right now. Not holding until expiration. High risk. Why? No deliveries. And potential dilution. Just know. So Discord family, I sent you what I'm doing with Lucid right now. I got my first strike of 3 that I'm willing to get into. Notice too that I put some time on it so that we could win. That's what it's all about. We trying to get this money. So far, so good on it. Triple G, baby. Triple G. Get in, get up, get out. I'm going to leave it there. I'm gonna leave it there as is. But again, first strike of 3, bow. You already know what time it is, baby. We got to be prepared, not surprised. And let's see if we can ride this wave. And if it comes down on us, we going to let it bottom. And then we'll hit it again. Bow. If it goes back up, we riding the wave back up again. But let's leave it there. We ain't going to babysit this one. We got some time. Let's look at BBIG. It's back under the $10 range. And again, now, if you was watching this live stream with me, you seen what I said earlier, where I said, if you are getting afraid and thinking whether or not you should sell, what should you do? Those who've been rocking with me for a long time or have even been trading options on your own for a long time. If you have been rocking with me, it's particularly, you know, you get in, you get up, and then you get out of the play if you feel like, and you ever ask yourself, should I get out of this? That means yes. Get on out of it. But guess what you can do? When you start to see it go like a rocket and you say, I made enough, you could get out. But then you could jump back in. You can always jump back in. This is why you take profit, because you can always jump back in. Just know that. You will never lose. You will never lose if you are properly prepared. And what do I mean by that? I don't mean you ain't gonna take no loss at all. What I mean by that is that you will take such a calculated loss that it will net into an overall win. Just understand that. That's how I want you to feel. That's how I want you to understand. Bang, bang, bang. We getting it like that, baby. Let's see what's going on with AMC. I'm seeing a $46. So again, like I was telling you before, basically, oh yeah. Brett Miller, he said, please explain to everyone halts are normal. Halts are normal. Halts are normal, and they're done by regulators, really. So they pretty much all gonna halt at the same time on all platforms. However, there were unnatural halts that had not really halts, but they took your buy button away, allegedly, supposedly, right? You know how it go. Right. My guy Gunner, he said you can't go broke taking profit. That's right. So yeah, family, I'm in a Lucid call right now, and so far so good. But again, I want you to understand, I'm not holding this forever, but we do have time on it. I'm not getting married to this because you could take profits and then get out, bam. And I only hit one, boom, out of the three, boom. My guy said, Discord family in the building. Green candles, baby, we love to see it. Is she turning around again? Hey. However, I want you to see something. For the short term, at least on the 1 minute chart, the 1 minute time frame, this is the 5 minute, but on the 1 minute time frame where each of these candles represents 1 minute, you will see that your good old friend here, she's in a downtrend. We want to see her break out of it, though. She's in a downtrend. We want to see her break out of this downtrend. What app am I on? Webull desktop app. Remember, this is the 1 minute time frame. Every single one of these candles represents 1 minute. So don't take this one. Take this one with a grain of salt. And let's see if we break out of it and stay out of the downtrend. That's what we're looking for. So far, so good. So far, so good. I keep seeing Nio in the chat. Let's go, Nio. Yo, speaking of that, I mentioned this in my video yesterday that I did. I had to holler at my boy. Well, he hollered at me. And now let me see where we at with it. If I could find this. Because I felt like this was really relevant and really important to at least have a conversation about, because oftentimes, let me see where we at, here. Oftentimes you might catch paper hands on a play that you had high conviction in, and you already know I'm not having that. So Lucid is coming down. No, it's not. Oh yeah. Lucid is. Oh yeah. All right, family. Look, Discord family, we running an option on this. When you get up enough, you can just get on out of it. Okay, yeah. So let me see. Somebody in the comments said no more AMC. Now, no disrespect, but you must have never seen I'll keep it real with you. It's the best lottery ticket that has existed. It's still a lottery ticket. There's no guarantee on it, but it's one where the odds are actually in your favor. That's the difference. All right, cool. And again, what's crazy about AMC, now that somebody's saying no more AMC, people don't believe in AMC when it turns red, right? But watch this. Watch this. When we were at $29 over here, when was this? $28, right? On August 5th. Rode all the way up to $45. Not even a month later. Look at this. It was $30 a few days ago, right? On the 20th, right? Like 10, 11 days ago. And now it's $45. And then here you go. The naysayers. Oh my gosh, naysayers. But then it'll turn green. And then one day it'll be 50. One day it'll be 60. And then the naysayers, they got nothing to say. They don't have a single word to say. And it is what it is. It's a part of the game. All right, cool. So now, let me show you this, what I was talking about. I had to holler at my guy. Did I already send it? I did already send it. Let me just check this out real quick. Oh, yeah. All right, bet. So take a look at this, because some of you have already paid tuition. You just didn't realize it yet. So somebody hit me up, and they said this about Nio, right? Notice, I think Nio is like what? Trying to test the $40 mark again. We love to see it. Look at this. We love to see it. Okay, let's talk about it. My guy said this. He said, Kenan, and this is on Twitter. You can follow me on Twitter if you want. He said, I'm low-key embarrassed. I got scared holding Nio, even though I watched your video the other day about holding, and I sold. I lost $1,000. And he said, if I would have held like you said, I'd be up so much. I just wanted to be honest here. And again, I appreciate the honesty, baby. I appreciate it. And he said, I'm never going to go against your words again. And again, it's not that Kenan grace me. It's not that I'm perfect. But what I do is we do a lot of research on things like what? AMC in particular. So then we know that this is not a play that you hold and then let go immediately. You hold, and like we always tell you, your doctor told you 2020 vision was good. But guess what, family? 2020 is in the past. We got to have 2030 vision, figuratively speaking. So I said, you know what? When you make a poor decision, it's just paying tuition. This is just tuition, family. It's the cost you pay for your education on the stock market. Understand that. We live, we learn, and we move differently next time. That's it. That's how we getting down. We live, we learn, we move differently next time. Somebody said Lucid is flying. Hey, and Discord family, you in that call option with me? Hey, let's go. Discord fam, you in that call option? So far, so good. We didn't even have to double down yet. So far, so good. So far, so good. Let's go. Discord family in the building. I'm hearing Pinterest is moving. Pinterest, we need you to revive, baby. We need you to revive. Family, just know one thing too. We talked about protective puts. T-Bone, my guy. It was something that happened yesterday, right? What was it? I think it was yesterday. And we were talking about getting a protective put on something that we were going to get in yesterday. It might have been SPRT when we did it. Oh, yeah. And we had to keep doubling down on it. And then we knocked it out the park. But, man, I wanted to get that. I wanted to get that protective put. I should have just went with it. Sometimes you got to stick to your gut. And my guy, AK-47, yo, this dude is like, yo, my guy, lighting me up. For real, AK-47 with it. He said, AMC changed my life. That's what I'm talking about. I want to tell you something, too. AMC changed my life. And you know how? In the whole time that I've been doing stocks, never have I met a community of people who loved a stock and got behind it for the movement to make the market better. It was usually all about trading, but like people really believe in AMC as a company and want the market to change for the better. Come on. Like, it's just amazing to me when I see it. Oh, yeah, family, look, if you ain't following me on Twitter, and you want to laugh sometimes here and there, you don't have to, again, but I be cracking up sometimes. I just be waking up, and I just be thinking of just, like, funny stuff. Like, I seen this meme, right? Somebody, why didn't that show me? I seen this meme, and then I was like, yo, what's going on with the internet? Yo, they shorted my internet. Kenan Grace, Twitter. Let's see, they shorted the internet over here. Here we go. Yo, this had me crying laughing. Come on. I said short sellers when AMC apes don't sell out. It's like, yo, somebody sent me this, right? I don't even know why they sent it or what the joke was. But I was like, you know who this remind me of? Ken Griffin. Yo, this remind me of Ken Griffin. I know these short sellers are basically, because I told you that Plotkin, right? Plotkin, who is the owner and leader of Melvin Capital, a short seller. We talked about this yesterday, how Plotkin told his team of data scientists to scour social media and message boards to look for shares that retail investors are rallying around. So I know them data scientists right now, they about to lose. You about to lose your job. Family, come on now. So, so when they see that we ain't letting go of the shares, baby, ooh, they hurt. They hurting right now. Okay, cool. So let's go back and see if BBIG is coming back up alive. We want to see it. It broke out of the downtrend, and now it looks like it's in some sort of consolidation level, but we broke the downtrend. We identified that early, right? So Nio is really about to go positive on the day. Let's go. Yo, let's go. Let's go. Nio's about to go positive on the day. And Apple, family, did Apple hit a new all-time high? Did Apple hit a new all-time high? Did Apple just hit a new, ooh, yo, family, come on now. Come on now. Elizabeth said we love you. I love you too, family. I love you too. Just know it. You already know what time it is. You already know. So Skills is moving up a little bit too. I see you, Skills. I see you, baby. I see you. Let's go. Lucid, yo, family, are you in that call with me? Discord family, you in that call? We getting it. Let's go. Let's go. Yo. All right, look, family. So look, somebody said, come on, AMC. Let me tell you something about AMC. Let's look. So somebody tell me in the comments, today is Wednesday. What was the date of give me 3 dates in the comments. Give me 3 exact dates. Give me the dates of the last 3 Mondays. Tell me in the comments, what are the dates of the last 3 Mondays? So then we're going to go look at something together. Because from what I've been seeing, and we're going to do this now together, right? My guy said, yes, sir. Discord family, he said, Lucid, we running up, baby. Let's go. So look, let's see something. Somebody said, I'm in it. We winning. Let's get it. So here we go. Take a look and pay attention. So what are the dates of the last 3 Mondays? Somebody said 3, 4. Yeah. Let me know. So here we go. Y'all sleeping on Baba? Now we ain't sleeping on Baba. We letting the politics cool off for a second. Okay, 30th, 23rd, and the 16th. 20th, 23rd, and the 16th. So we're under the impression that what's going on with AMC is that Monday and Tuesday, they kind of move up. And then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, they cool off, if not go down. And this has not been happening perpetually, right? So somebody said the 16th, the 23rd, and the 30th. So let's go back in time and see if that's true. Let's start here, though. So we got today, Wednesday, Tuesday, and then Monday was here. All right, so Monday, let's zoom out a little bit. All right, Monday, running up, come down a little bit. We close positive. Tuesday, running up, close positive. Wednesday, coming down. Let's see if that happened on the 30th. Let's go back. I don't think it happened last week, but let's just check. So the 30th, they're saying. Oh, yeah, we just did that one. Let's go back to the 23rd. Monday, running up, close positive. Tuesday, running up, close positive. Wednesday, running up a little bit, but it looked like it came back down and just slightly may have closed positive. And then Thursday, coming down. Friday, down. So it seems like Monday, Tuesday, they like to let it run. And then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, they like to cool it down. We got to catch on to the pattern so we can understand what these short sellers are doing. So then let's go to 16. 16, they're saying, is the other Monday. Monday, run up. Tuesday, run up, close positive. Wednesday, cooled off. It cooled off. It opened over here, closed over here. Thursday, and then Friday closed positive on the 16th, but it came down. Notice that Tuesday, Wednesday is a peak. Tuesday, Wednesday has been like a continuous peak. But now, Thursday, Friday, it's been coming down. So what are we trying to do? We're trying to assess the trends and what the short sellers are doing so that then we can say, you know what? And we could kind of break their habits. That's what we're trying to do. If we understand it, they can't control us through it too much, too easily. Okay, so Lucid came down a little bit. Let's see. Let's see it. Did we get to the oversold? We got to the 70. Okay, so it had to cool off. I'm not going to babysit it. We still up on a play. Pinterest, though. Boom. We love to see it. However, family, again, I'm thinking again about, somebody said charge point, let's check them out. Hey, look. So yesterday it ran and then came back down to the 21. Now charge point is going again. Yo, charge point is a banger. CRSR. Came down from 30 all the way to 28. That's not that bad of a dip. The winner on the day though is Apple. If you have not known, there's a rumor going around right now about Apple. This ain't gonna let me do this. Let's go. Let's delete some of this stuff. So iPhone 13 satellite communications. This is a rumor going around. This is a rumor going around. Apple. I'm not signing. All right, cool. Take a look at this. According to an analyst, the upcoming iPhone 13 series will feature low Earth orbit LEO satellite communication connectivity, which will allow users to make calls and send messages when cell signal is not available. So, family, they're trying to make it so you could send your calls and you could text whoever you want, right? Whoever you want when you don't even have service. So, this is a rumor, but look what rumors do to stocks. Look what rumors do to stock. It make Apple hit an all-time high. Yo, family, let's go check out. Somebody said that's real. Let's get it. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Let's check out what Apple is even worth. Let's go to company market cap. Apple is worth $2.5 trillion and is the #1 company on this green earth, family. The most valuable company, publicly traded company on this earth. And then Microsoft and then Google. Top 3. Amazon is 5th. Facebook is 6th. Tesla is 7th. Could you believe Tesla is 7th, family? Let's go. Let's check them out. Are they up or down today? Yo, Tesla is still up today. Let's get it. Let's get it. It got to 740. Family, Tesla is trying to get back to the 800 range. It's trying to get back to the 800 range. Somebody said, buy the rumor, sell the news. Unless you're going really, really long on it. Nio is running. Let's go. Let's go. All right. And also, Lucid is coming back down. Lucid is coming back down. Is you gonna show us strength? We knew it would cool off in the 10 hour or hour 10 on a day. Let's go. 10 a.m. But let's see what's up with it. We here. All right, cool. So now let's go to, in Discord family, major salute to you. Just know that. Tesla vote coming. I just got an email about that. Y'all ready? GSAT. Nope, didn't work. GSAT. Here we go. Global Star. So she's running a little bit. Nice. Let's see. AMC. Let's see where AMC bottoms at today. That's what we're trying to look at. I want to give a salute to Jamaica Dude 31. Appreciate you for joining the family, baby. And my guy said this. Keith, he said, when Apple dropped to 151 yesterday, all I heard was KG saying Apple dipped so you could buy it. That's right. Why do stocks dip? Family, they dip so that you can buy it. That's how we rocking. That's how we getting down. They dip so you could get in. And then, you know what? This is financial advice. Apple is a banger. Apple is a beast, a big dog, a banger. You load up on Apple and you let this sit in the corner of your portfolio and just keep you in the green when your hot stocks are down. If you ask me, if you just starting out with a portfolio, right? If you just starting out with a portfolio, and let's say, as we all know, there's 100%, right? There's 100%. How would I break that down? To be honest with you, I would go 70%. I would say even VTI, right? Like an ETF. What is VTI? You could go SPY, 70% SPY, 70% VTI, anything, right? VOO. VTI is the total stock market index fund. This is why I always tell you, if you can't handle the heat of these hot stocks, then stay out of the kitchen and consider investing into index funds. For example, the SPY ETF in this case, right? Something like this. Consider index funds, consider ETFs, consider that. Why? Because it keeps your blood pressure down, family, so you can handle the heat. So then you got 70% in something like VTI, SPY, or VOO. And then I would say, if you could go 20% growth stocks. 20% growth stocks like Apple. 20% like Apple, Microsoft, or something like that, right? A banger though, a banger. So now you got 90% of your portfolio strength. And I'm talking about people who are just starting off. If you got way more money and you diversify it in a different way, that's fine. These are for people who just starting off and are trying to handle the heat initially. So now that you got, let's call it 70% in the SPY or VTI or whatever, 20% Apple and Microsoft, like 10 each, let's call it. And then let's say you got 5% Nio. And then I would say 5% options. 5% options or something like that. You could go crazy. You can make this little 5 right here, and since it's only 5% of your whole portfolio, right? And we back at 100. Since it's only 5% of your whole portfolio, you can do what you want with it. This one though, this little 5% here, no more than 10% what I put into like a high risk plays. To be honest though, Nio, I would say it's not as high risk as you would think, but it's just the politics. And you want to have things that'll keep you basically in the green so that you can handle the heat. So then let's say that you were in some crazy hot plays, right? Let's say that you made the 5% of your growth. You didn't even do Nio. You did something like BBIG for this one. And then it went to 0. And then let's say you went straight options and you have 5% in that, and it went to 0. And you zeroed out your hot plays and you zeroed out your options. Look at your portfolio. Still 90%. Still 90%. This is how you handle the heat. This is why I tell you, if you can't handle the heat, consider index funds, because I'm going to guide you to basically win. That's what we're trying to do. My guy said, yeah, example, if you start with 4K, yes. If you start with 4K, consider what I just said. Consider what I just said. Something like this. Consider that. Somebody said, will Lucid go to 21 eventually? If you're in the Discord, we ran an option on it just a few minutes ago, and basically we playing it as if it will. It might come down, but guess what? Prepared, not surprised. Proper preparation prevents poor performance will help us to basically say, okay, it's coming back down, I'm ready to strike again. Bam, right? So you prepared for a run or you prepared for a pullback. Either way, you're prepared for either one. And then you give yourself time. Let's get it. Pinterest is really moving. We love to see this. I'm going to be real with you though. I'm more likely to get a put up here to hedge against our call. I'm more likely to get a put up here to hedge against our call, so that we can make money on the way down if it comes back down. But we need Pinterest to run to where we know it should be. Let's see what's going on with them. Pinterest stock, is it a buy right now? Earnings, stock, nothing new. Pinterest users, woes, create rare loser among digital ad stocks. Nothing crazy. Paying Pinterest, these analysts, large. Yeah, nothing new, nothing big happened with Pinterest yet. They just running up like they should. All right, cool. So now let's see. We know big news is coming with Apple. We know Lucid is trying to wake back up again. Let's see what Lucid does. Notice Lucid is in now a downtrend, but it's kind of consolidating. Let's get it. So BNGO, get it. Let's go. Yeah, we talked about the pipe investors in the beginning of this. So you need to get in a Discord. Join on, baby. The link is in the top. Again, if you want to fence, you could pass on the play. But if you're ready to get into our tight-knit family, come on, let's get it. Come on now. Charge point's running too. We tried to get into a call yesterday. Boom. Love to see it. Charge point is a beast. I'm seeing Disney is running. Let's go, Disney. Today is a good day. Yo, Nio is trying to get positive on the day. Come on, Nio. Break that 40 and keep testing it. It keeps testing it. It keeps testing it. Break over that 40, baby. Skills is running up still. But it's coming down some. Okay, let's see. Tesla, here we go. Family, can you believe it? Tesla is basically 740. I love to see it. So, Adder, I keep seeing people talking about Adder. Adder is coming down a little bit. Yo, let's check out the SPY. I didn't even really look at the SPY when we got in. SPY is down 452. It hit all-time highs when? Let's zoom out. Yesterday. Oh, actually, it looked like it hit all-time highs in the pre-market. If not the aftermarket. Oh, yeah. This was yesterday. All-time highs. Let's go. We love to see it. We love to see it. My guy, AK, he's just lighting me up. On fire, baby. And again, I'm so happy for you, big dog, for making $76,000. That's what I'm talking about, baby. I love to see it. I love to see it. Man, love to see the family get money, man. If you're trying to get into the Discord again, I'm going to tell you right now again, I definitely can help you when I get back in, but you could get yourself in. You can get yourself in. Okay, cool. So now, let's take a look at a few things. Somebody said Sens is running. Sensonics. All right, Sens, wake up, baby. Here we go. Yo, it's a good day to be on the market. It's a good day to be on the market. Will Lucid get funds from the infrastructure bill? Let's keep it real, family. If this go down, of course. Of course, all EVs will benefit from that. And they'll get all kind of tax incentives, everything. Ethereum. I tell you time and time again, we load up on Ethereum, strike days. How do we do this? On specific days. If you get paid on Friday, pop, 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 you already know, baby. Yo, I love it. I love it. Family, Pens is running. You have no idea. I'm gonna keep it 100,000 with you right now. I want to get a put on Pens because it will come up here and then it will come back down here and cool back down. And a put would be protective against our call, so we can average down on our call. Boom, 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 just like that. Man, let's go. But let's check out Gamestop. Does anybody in the chat own Gamestop? Not GM, GME. Anybody in the chat own Gamestop? Tiffany, Chestnut, appreciate you. Much love, family. She said, Kenan, I want to take $5K from my savings and invest into the market. My bank interest is trash, and she's thinking about Apple. Do I just put it all in there, or do I need to wait and see if the market comes down? So I want you to understand this, Tiffany. If this, and let's talk about it, family. Let's talk about it. Tiffany, great question. This is what you got to do. Since you got $5K in your savings, shout out to you, first of all. We know that bank rates is trash, super trash. And if you get into an investment, you got to be able to hold it. You want to be able to at least hold this for longer than 1 year and 1 day. Why? So if you sell it, you can pay lower taxes on it because of the capital gains tax, how it works in the U.S., particularly if you are in the U.S. Now, I'll say this. If you want to put $5K all on Apple, I ain't got no problem with that, baby. Apple is a beast, a big dog, a banger. But you don't have to go all in at once. However, if you just want to set it and forget it, it's Apple. You can go all in at once if you want. Don't feel like you got to chase it. It's Apple. 5K in Apple, it's gonna be okay. However, I could technically see this cooling off a little bit, but if you scared that your 5K is gonna turn into 4,500, it's Apple. It'll come back and it'll go up like never before. For example, let's take a look at even what Wall Street thinks. Let's take a look at what Wall Street thinks. So where are we with this? Let's look up, what is the name of this website? What is the name of this website? I use it all the time. I can't remember. Apple price targets. Tip ranks. That's what it is. Tip ranks. Let's look at the price targets on Apple. All right, so here we go. They loading in. Just 3 days ago, they said it was going to 180. JP Morgan said it was going to 180 6 days ago. Wedbush said it was going to 185 17 days ago. The stock analysts, everybody, come on, it's Apple. Apple's a beast, a big dog, a banger. You never know when a market crash is going to happen, but it could happen. So this is what I would do. I would go 2,500 in SPY. I would go 2,500 in Apple. That's how I would do it. Let's get it. My guy, AK-47, he said another 70K. Another one. Let's go, baby. Let's get it. Listen, we keeping it real. We keeping it raw. We getting it. Let's win. Let's win. Is Nio positive on the day? Family, let's go. We just gap filled. Look, almost. You see the gap? We feeling it. Let's go. Yo, family, I want to see, Damon, let's go, baby. Discord family in the building. I want to see Nio break this $40 mark. I want to see Nio break this $40 mark, baby. Let's get it. We love to see it. We want to see it. We love to see it. Come on, Nio. You could do it, baby. We believe in you. Even when you didn't believe in yourself, Nio, we believed in you. Yo. Yeah. The dude. Let me pull that up. Family, let me tell you something. If you own AMC and you own Gamestop, either one of the two, put an ape in the chat. Put an ape in the chat. That's what I'm talking about. Put an ape in the chat. If you own, my guy say, yo, your live is lit. Let's get it, baby. Oh, I even got my music on. Hey. If you own AMC and you own GameStop stock, family, what I want you to see, I want to see some apes in the chat, baby. I need to see some apes in the chat. Let's go. Hey. Let's go. I need to see them apes in the chat. Let's talk about what's going on. Oh yeah, we lit, man. Hey. Yeah, we here. I see the apes. I see you, baby. They called you dumb money. Don't forget that. Don't forget that. Never forget. Hey. Hold up. Whoa. Hold up. Let's get it. Here we go. Let's get it. And this ain't even Kenan Grace Radio yet. Check this out. I talked about this in yesterday's video. There's a website. This website is called The Street. Family, this website is called The Street. And what did they say? They said on August 31st, 2021, how GameStop and AMC stock could be a market hedge. Corrections are a feature, not a flaw, of the market. What do they mean? They mean if you look at the SPY, it's going to come down. It happens. You see these dips? It's a part of the market. It happens. Long term, it goes up. It comes down. It happens. But you know what? Corrections are a feature. They're not a flaw. But today, Wall Street meme stocks like AMC and GameStop could potentially be used as a hedge against market weakness. You could use meme stocks, they're calling it, as a hedge against market weakness. Family, this is crazy that they're saying that. Why? What website is this? This is, hold up, thestreet.com. Thestreet.com. Why is that important? Let's check the facts. You know I got the receipts. The Street, who are the founders? Your boy, Jim Cramer. And this is no disrespect. Again, the truth should never be seen as disrespect. It's just the truth. Now take a look at this. He founded it, and they're saying that AMC and GameStop could potentially be used as a hedge against market weakness. They mean that the entire market might tank. But guess what? If you have GameStop and you have AMC, it could protect you. This is what they are saying. They called you dumb money. But these are the same people that said this. These are the same people that said the only hope for a positive close in AMC now is that I am so hated by Wall Street bets, who are the apes, that they summon up every last dollar to try to make them look bad. That's the only way that AMC is going to ever be positive, is if we try to make Jim Cramer look bad. And again, this is no disrespect. The truth should not be considered disrespect. It's just the truth. Now, y'all telling me now I should cool it on buying the SPY? According to this, I should cool it on buying the SPY and load up on Gamestop and load up on AMC because a market crash is coming, baby. This is what they're trying to tell us. This is what they're trying to tell us. Can you believe that? Can you believe that? Come on now. Come on now. Man, let's talk about it, baby. I see the apes in the chat, family. Now, all of a sudden, you have officially graduated from, according to the street, you had graduated from being dumb money to being smart money, baby. They're telling you that the market might crash, but if you hold a GameStop, you hold an AMC, this is according to them. We got the receipts right here. Right here. A market hedge against... Yo, you can't make this up. You can't make this up. You cannot make this up. Let me give a shout out. Oh, look, hey. Your boy Kenan, great. Oh, I'm live. We got 3,800 people live. Let's go. Let's go. I'm surprised I'm even popping up here. I love to see it. I love to see it. Maybe because it's me looking it up, but I love to see it. Somebody said I took 600. Yo, you can't make this stuff up, though. You can't. Hey, let's click on it. Can I comment? Nah, they ain't gonna let me comment. Let's go. Oh. Yo, this is Inception. I'm watching me live with you. Let's go. Nah, let's chill. Let's chill. You know how we do. You know how we do. But shout out to the SPY. Family, I'm looking for a SPY call in the future. Let's see you, baby. She said, remember that. Smart money are not always right. That's a fact. That's a fact. R.I.P. Kobe, right? Big facts. The big dog, the beast, the GOAT. One of the GOATs. He said, how do you diversify a 10K portfolio for a young person that wants long-term growth? So, 10K, what I would do personally with a 10K portfolio, personally, I'd be willing to go with something like that. I'd be willing to go half Microsoft, half Apple. Maybe like add that up to 90%, right? Add that up to 90%, right? 45% Apple, 45% Microsoft, or you could substitute one of those for the SPY or something like that. And then basically the rest, you could go more like the last little 10% you got left, you go high, you go hot. You could pick up a hot play. But you gotta have a strong foundation. You gotta have a strong foundation. Somebody said the viewers are growing every day. Hey, that's love. That's love. That's love. So let's see it. All right, cool. Let's check this out. So we got Apple, all-time highs. Shout out to Apple. I'm heavy on Apple. Just know that. And let me tell you something. There's gonna be a lot of people telling you to get into Apple right now. Listen, I've been singing Apple praise for years. But look at this. 8 months ago, Nio, Apple partnership exposed. I said, look, they ain't got no partnership going on. However, you should still buy Apple. I've been talking about Apple for a long time. Long time. Now, this is nothing special, but I want you to understand that Apple is always going to be a beast and always going to be a banger. So then we load up on Apple long term. AAPL, let's see. I want to go back in time. I've only been doing this YouTube thing seriously for, I want to say since October, so we pulling up on a year. Maybe November. But man, listen. Oh yeah, even here, 10 months ago. Investors investing for beginning. I mean, invest $100 or $1,000 for beginners, right? We've been talking about Apple. Apple, come on now. We've been talking about this for a minute. Let's actually go in here. Oh, look at your boy. Oh. Listen, oh, we bringing it back. We bringing it back. I wonder if I'm going to show what Apple was. Oh, commercial. Because listen, your boy been talking about getting Apple stock even back here. Listen, Apple is a banger. You do not want to sleep. Yo, shooting videos like that used to be mad hard, but I was determined. I was ready to get it. Let's get it. Shout out to the old video flow in the building. Somebody said, where the likes at? Get them likes for me, baby. But let's talk about it. So let's see if Lucid is still pulling back or going up. Okay, so Lucid is up. So Discord fam, we in the call option for Lucid. Shout out to the Discord family. Just know it. Let's get it. Somebody said Kenan makes work more tolerable in the morning. Let's get it. We here. We here. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Shout out to my guy for sending me some love. Appreciate you. Treva the Diva said this. Said, great day. You familiar with ALF? I have been a couple of months. It fluctuates. Any info? So far, I'm not familiar with that at all. But we can add that one and look into it. With plays like this, notice this one has been going up. You really want to catch this before it hits $10, something like this. Right? But it might be a swing trade. Make sure you're doing your research. But if it bounces under the 10, then consider averaging in slowly. Slowly. A1234, appreciate you for the love, big dog. That's love. Now let's check out again. Today is going well. Today is going well, baby. Let's check out the beast, the big dog. Yo, I got to get in GameStop. I don't have any right now, but I got to get into play. I wanted it in 150. But I just, let's go. Let's go. Yo, Nio. Is Nio over the high 39s? We wanted to like really break past. We still there. We still there. Come on, Nio. Come on. You got this. You got this. Keep testing that. Keep testing it. Keep testing it for us. Pinterest. Just know, family, up here, I'm willing to get a put on Pinterest. I'm going to keep it real. I'm going to keep it raw. I'm willing to get a put on Pinterest right here and try to watch it come back down to 55. When? Who knows? Let's zoom out a little bit. We've been waiting for this one to gap back up. It's somewhat trying to fill the gap, but it's been really struggling. It's been really struggling. Somebody say, would I buy GameStop to hold or to swing trade? So I will buy GameStop to hold until a squeeze, and then that would be the swing trade. Somebody said, I missed $150 on GameStop, will be a lottery ticket. Let's get it. Just know it, family. But just know this, baby. If you ain't in the Discord yet, Discord family, I will see you over there in the Discord. Now, I had a good day with y'all, making money. We in this Lucid call option. We got a lot of time, but already it's up. Already we in the green, and we love to see it. So, family, if you want to be up on the plays, you already know what time it is. Let's get it, baby. But, again, if you can't handle the heat, oh, you know what? We ain't even do it yet. This is not financial advice. I just hope you watch your oven mitts, baby, because it's about to get hot in the kitchen. Now, don't invest in companies you don't understand and don't believe in, because if they dip, you not gonna buy the dip, and then you're gonna sell low and be right back here crying to me, and I'm not having that. So if you can't handle the heat of these hot stocks, then stay out of the kitchen and consider investing in the index funds. Now hit that like button to show your boy some love. Hit that notification bell to stay tuned. Let's get straight to the point. I love y'all. Just know, family, I love y'all to death. I want to just say that. Me letting go of my job, my day job, to do this with you is really a true calling, and I hope that you enjoy every single morning with me. I just want you to know that. But Discord family, I see you over there. I love y'all. Take care.